My name is Anna Short, and I'm doing my presentation on dark matter and dark energy. So space looks mostly empty, but as astronomers evaluate how things move and expand, the math stops making sense. Unless there's something invisible out there we can't see with the naked eye. In the next few minutes, I'll explain why dark matter and dark energy is proven to exist by scientists. That was my little introduction. But first we're going to talk about dark matter. So as we see here, we have a spiral galaxy with a rotational graph curve. When we measure how fast stars orbit in the galaxy, we expect the stars on the edges to move more slowly like the planets in our solar system. But as you can see in this other graph, the speed stays flat. That only makes sense if there's a huge amount of invisible mass holding everything together with gravity. So as a little demonstration to make this make more sense, I was wanting to use marbles but didn't have any, so we have this cup here. And this is our galaxy, and this on the inside are our stars. So without an invisible glue, if I spin it, they go flying out. And that shows instability. But real galaxies don't fall apart. There has to be an invisible glue, a halo of dark matter surrounding the galaxy and keeping the stars in place even though we can't see it. Next, let's talk about dark energy, which is kind of the opposite. It's pushing things apart instead of holding them together. In the late 1900s, scientists studied exploding stars called the supernovae. They expected the universe's expansion to be slowing down, but instead, like this diagram here, it was speeding up and expanding. That means that something is acting like an anti-gravity, stretching space itself. We call that something mysterious dark energy. So a little analogy for this one as well. I want you to think of a loaf of bread. And if we have raisins in it, as it rises in the oven, the raisins start to expand. Even though the actual raisins themselves aren't pushing each other apart, there's something in between them that is. It's like the yeast of the universe. It's making the space expand faster and faster. In conclusion, think of them kind of like opposites. Dark matter acts like an invisible mass that holds galaxies together, and dark energy is like a mysterious pressure that pushes the universe apart. Together they make up 95% of everything, even though we can't see them, and understanding that is one of the biggest challenges in cosmology. And that is my works cited. Thank you.